Good morning, students. Here I am going to discuss the question answers of the chapter Asia of Standard 8 from the book My Book of Geography. Let's choose the correct option. 1A. The Black Sea and Japan are on west and east side of Asia. 1B. Which of the following mountain range is in India? And the answer is Karakoram. 1C. The capital of Bhutan is Thimphu. 1D. Which two countries share the water of the river Indus? And the answer is India and Pakistan. 1E. The southern plateaus of Asia are made up of the hard crystallic rock. Question number 2. Fill in the blanks. 2A. The continent of Asia extends longitudinally from 10 degrees south to 80 degrees north and latitudinally 25 degrees east to 170 degrees west. 2B. The northern lowlands of Asia are drained by the rivers Ob, Lona and Yenisei, and even you can write Irtysh. 2C. The whole region south of Black Sea is called Asia Minor. 2D. The Himalayan belt southwards in Myanmar is termed as Arakan Yamas. 2E. The rivers Tigris and Euphrates drain into Persian Gulf. Question number 3. True false. 3A. The river Wangho drains into the Indian Ocean. It is false. It drains into China Sea. 3B. The islands of Japan look like festoons. Question number 3A. The Wangho River drains into Indian Ocean. It is false. It drains into China Sea. Question number B. The islands of Japan look like festoons. It is true. 3C. The Tian Shan mountain range extends northeast from Pamir's north. It is true. 3D. The height of Tibetan plateau reached up to 5,000 meters. True. 3E. The Hindu Kush range goes northwards across Russia. It is false. It moves towards western side. Match the following. Question number 4. Sri Lanka, Indian Ocean. Varanasi, coldest place. Insular region, Brunei. Insular region is Brunei. Nicobar Islands, Bay of Bengal. Deepest lake, Baikal. Question number 5A. 1. Name the plateau from where the Himalayan ranges starts and where it ends in the east. And the answer is Tibetan Plateau is the plateau from where the Himalayan ranges starts and it ends up to Myanmar as the Arakan Yamas. Question number 5. 1. Question number 5A2. Name the 5 important peaks of the Himalayas. They are K2, Mount Everest, Kanchenjunga, Makalu and Lhotse. Question number 5B. Write a short note on Yunnan Plateau of China. Yunnan Plateau of China is having undulating surfaces and gentle slopes. Most of them are located on the projections extending southwards from the mainland of Asia? Yunnan or Yungui Plateau located in the southeast China. Their major rivers in this region are Salween, Mekong and Sikiang. Which water bodies do the following rivers drain into? Question number 5C. 1. River Indus drains into Arabian Sea. River Euphrates drains into Persian Gulf. River Irrawaddy drains into Andaman Sea. River Mekong drains into South China Sea, and River Huanghe drains into China Sea. Question number 5D. Name 3 major Asian archipelagos and their location. Major group of archipelagos is known as number 1 Indonesia, number 2 Philippines, number 3 Andaman Islands in Asia. Question number 6A. Name the 5 groups in which Asia can be divided topographically, and for each division name 2 countries. Number 1 East Asia, Japan, China. Number 2 North Asia, Russia's eastern part. Number 3 Central Asia, Kazakhstan, Uzbekistan, Turkmenistan. Number 4 South Asia, Bangladesh, India, Bhutan. Number 5 South Central Asia, Afghanistan, Pakistan. Number 6 Peninsular Southeast Asia, Myanmar, Thailand. Question number 6B. Why does the upper course of river in the northern lowlands become marshy? The vast part of lowlands located in the northern parts of Asia are drained by river Ob, Lena, Yenisei and Irtysh. All these rivers fall into the Arctic Ocean. During the brief summer season, when the water in the upper course of these rivers melts, it spreads all over the leveled land because the mouths of these rivers remain frozen for a longer period of time. It makes the region marshy. Question number 6C. What do you understand by the term inland drainage? Inland drainage is the drainage in which rivers do not reach an ocean or sea but empty their waters in a lake or an inland sea. The Central Asian internal drainage basin is the largest one. Question number 6D. State one difference between the Intermontane Plateau and Southern Plateaus. Intermontane plateaus have horizontal rock layers which are raised to very heights by vertical movements of the earth. Like Tibet is an example of the Intermontane Plateau, which is surrounded by the fold mountains like Himalayas, Karakoram, Kunlun and Tian Shan. Arabian Plateaus, Deccan Plateau, Shan and Yunnan Plateaus are the examples of the southern plateaus, which have undulating surfaces and gentle slope.